You gained the weight. You look bigger. And now you want to reveal the muscle underneath without losing what you built. The cut after a bulk is an art, and day 29 gives you the blueprint. Most people go too fast when cutting after a bulk. They slash 800 calories, bump up the cardio, and 15 pounds later they look softer than before and feel flat in the gym. The weight on the scale drops. But so does the muscle you spent months building. Funny moment, you traded your newly earned biceps for a better number on the scale. The mirror is not impressed. Neither is your squat. A 2024 ISSN study confirmed that a moderate deficit of 300 to 500 calories per day preserves lean body mass better than aggressive deficits of 800 calories or more. Protein intake of 2.2 grams per kilogram during a deficit is recommended by ISSN 2025 to minimize muscle loss while maximizing fat oxidation. A 2025 sports medicine review showed that maintaining heavy resistance training intensity during a cut is the single strongest predictor of muscle retention, even at mild calorie deficits. 500 calories. That is the ceiling deficit that lets you lose fat while keeping your hard-earned muscle. Stay inside it and your gains stay intact. Here is your 3-step day 29 action plan. Step 1. Set a 300 to 500 calorie deficit using your recalculated TDE. No more aggressive numbers, even if you are impatient. Step 2. Raise your protein to 2.2 grams per kilogram while cutting. This signals your body that muscle is needed even in a deficit. Step 3. Keep lifting heavy with the same weights you used in the bulk. Reduce sets by 20% if needed for recovery, but never drop the load. Myth. I should cut on a huge deficit and lots of cardio to drop fat fast and reveal my new muscles quickly. Truth. Aggressive deficits and high cardio are a proven muscle loss combination. A 2024 ISSN study found moderate deficits combined with high protein and consistent heavy lifting gives you the best of both worlds. Let's recap day 29. Cut at 300 to 500 calories maximum. Aggressive cutting eats muscle. Protein at 2.2 grams per kilogram during a deficit keeps muscle intact. Keep heavy weights on the bar. Strength is the muscle preservation signal. This has been InfoVital. Like, subscribe, share. Tomorrow, day 30, the final episode, we cover maintenance, how to stay big forever.